Hi friends, today I'm going to unbox this Rudraksha Diksha that I received from Sadhguru. So if you're aware, every year Sadhguru's Isha Foundation, they give this option for us to apply for getting a free Rudraksha. I think it generally opens like a month or so before Shivaratri. So I think this year also it opened in around Jan. And then I applied for this. So actually what happened is last year also I came to know about it and I applied. So you can apply it online through their Isha website. Okay. But then somehow I think last year I got a message that I'll be receiving the Rudraksha, but then whoever is the delivery partner, they just sort of missed it at the end, and I couldn't track it. Okay, and I was a lot disappointed last year when I couldn't receive it. Like I thought I'm actually receiving it, but at the end there was some mess up done by the delivery partner. So when I applied again this year, I was a little skeptical. I was not sure if I'm again going to be disappointed, but nevertheless I again tried it, and I did that like almost it's been 4 months, and again I sort of lost the hope that I'll be receiving even this year, because this year I did not even get any message, SMS, or confirmation that I'll be receiving it on so and so date. It has been sent on a certain delivery partner and all that. So this year I was sort of not at all expecting it, but then very surprisingly I received it. Much excited and happy about that. Just open this. So this is how the outer package looks like, and I really like this, the way they printed the Shiva's picture on the outside package also. So let us just quickly unbox this. So these are all the contents inside. So inside, I think first there is some ad. We'll just keep this aside. So this is the wonderful picture. I'm not sure if it's really reflecting in the video, but it's a very, very awesome picture. If you have been like following Sadhguru or his Isha Foundation, you would know about this Adiyogi statue that is there in their Coimbatore ashram. I think recently one more ashram is started in Bangalore also. That's what I saw in one YouTube video. Okay, so they sent this wonderful picture. Really I think it will be useful for people who can't really go there, but like someone like me who likes meditating and all can always just look at this picture, and it's really nice. Booklet. Okay, so it has all the details of this Rudraksha Diksha. So it's there in English and Hindi, and I think they have it in multiple languages. So it's there in Telugu also. I don't know a lot of other languages. This looks like Kannada, maybe Tamil and Malayalam, and I can't read all of these languages, but I can follow 3 of the languages here. And it says details of this, and then for any more details you can always go to their website and read there, and how to tie this the thread, and then what all are the contents inside the vibhuti, and then the image, right? Detailed guidelines for use and maintenance, they are there in the website. Okay, so before I start using the Rudraksha, I'll definitely get into this website for more details. And if you want, all the instructions are in multiple languages, so you can easily follow all the instructions. Okay, so this is the second part. There are 2 identical Yes, yeah, so this is the thread that has to be used to other one. So there are two black threads that are given. See, these are the two Rudrakshas, and then they have this tiny hole inside going right. So using this you can tie it with the black threads that have been given. And then there is also this vibhuti, okay, with the linga outside. I'm not going to open this vibhuti or else it will just get scattered. I'll just keep it, and probably later I'll just keep all of these in the puja room, and then I'll open the vibhuti. So these are the contents inside. So there is this Adiyogi's picture and vibhuti and two Rudrakshas. Let me just take them out. And then these two threads and an instruction guideline on how you can use it. So these are all the contents of the package that we received.